Makeup for lips, teeth, and even your tongue? And eat your lipstick afterwards? I'm running so late! And I lost my lip gloss. Hey, where are you? Oh, here you are! What a surprising flavor! And it smells like strawberry. Carefully cut an old tube of lip gloss near the seal. Thoroughly clean it. And pour in strawberry topping. Cover the cup with clear tape. This lip gloss is so sweet and tasty, but my friend takes it away. Hey, I don't want to go back to using my old lip gloss ever again. The secret beauty service is hunting for Christy. Here she is, our victim. Let's make a hit with our delicious concealer. Add 2 ounces of strong coffee to 1/5 ounce of gelatin. Mix 5 ounces of mascarpone with 2 ounces of powdered sugar. Add 2 ounces of cream and combine it with the coffee mass. Pour it into a clean concealer tube. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it harden. Wrap the cap in a printed label. Close the sweet concealer. The attack hits the cheekbone. And again! Who did this? I'll find the attacker. Aha! Redhead, I got you! Hey, it's just a dessert. I don't need your sweet talk. My yogurt is yummy, but it's missing something. I'll go grab a topping. Meanwhile, Redhead takes the yogurt for herself. Oops! Sorry! I didn't know it was yours. Christy will improve its color and taste with powder balls. Cut off the bottom part of a Pringles tube. Paint it black along with the lid. Attach a printed logo. Add food coloring to 1 ounce of marshmallow. Microwave it for 1 minute. Put in less than an ounce of grounded coconut shavings. Stir it well. Shape the mass into small balls. Cover them with edible pearl powder. Make balls of different shades. And put them into the container. Hey, what are you doing? Of course the yogurt is way too pale. But that doesn't mean you have to add powder to it. Don't be shy. Try it. My face powder is the sweetest. Wow, it actually is. Yogurt and face powder are a great match. A photo shoot near a fountain is a great idea. Except that water makes Christy look like a panda. You look great. Well, we need new mascara. I just happen to have one. Print a layout of a mascara tube. Attach it to a pack of Mentos using double-sided tape. This mascara won't open. Of course, it's made out of Mentos. Take some. Mentos are great, but I need actual mascara. Fine, take it, Lady Panda. While my friend is showering, I'll add some new nail polish to her makeup bag for an unusual manicure. Roll out colored fondant into a thin layer. Cut it and wrap a square wafer candy in it. Cut off a piece of a wafer tube. Wrap it in white fondant. Join the pieces together to shape a nail polish bottle. Label it using a food marker. Make a few bottles of different colors. Christy is ready to do her nails, but there is something new in her makeup bag. These nail polishes are weird. So many colors. Oh, I understand. These are candies. I'll taste the colors of the rainbow. You can't have a picnic without bringing some snacks. Want a sandwich? But Redhead has her own snack. It's a sandwich with foundation. Coat a clean foundation bottle with acrylic paint. Attach a printed label. Wrap the cap in gold tape. Whip cream with a mixer by gradually increasing the speed. Add Nutella and mix it until you get the right shade. Put the mixture into a Ziploc bag and fill the bottle with it. I apply a thick layer of foundation, but not onto my face. It's so sweet! Don't be scared. Try it! It's preservative-free and has a cute chocolatey tone. This is actually a very nice choice. Christy placed a weird order at a cafe. Is this a set of makeup brushes or a dessert? Sharpen one end of a pretzel stick. Roll out colored fondant into a thin layer. Cut out a strip and wrap the sharpened pretzel stick in it. Don't cover the other end. Shape a marshmallow into bristles and attach it to the stick. Cover the bristle holder with gray fondant. Rub in silver edible pearl powder so it looks like metal. Make a few sweet brushes of different shapes. I have never seen edible makeup brushes before. The shape of this dessert is so creative. I'll have some too. I'll take an eyebrow brush. How delicious! But it could be even better. Waiter, can I have a makeup dessert too? Take one whole Oreo and 1/2 cookie. Cut a little piece off each cookie. Roll out some fondant and cut out 2 circles of different diameters. Attach the big circle to the cookie sandwich and the smaller circle to the cookie half. Rub edible pearl powder into the big circle. Draw a logo on the smaller one using a food marker. Cover the cookie filling with melted dark chocolate. Use chocolate to join the halves into an eyeshadow container. It turns out that the sweet brush is not the whole surprise. I got sweet eyeshadow. Wow, I love this color. And it tastes amazing. This is our favorite beauty bar from now on. Makeup time and snack time. I have a whole set of colorful and soft treats instead of regular makeup sponges. Add 2 ounces of melted butter to 5 ounces of sugar. Mix it and add 1 egg. Pour in 2 ounces of milk. Add 4 ounces of flour. And a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Make batter. Divide it into parts and put in different food colorings. Fill silicone muffin molds. Bake them for 20 minutes at 355 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the muffin when it cools. Cut out a circle using a cutter. These makeup sponges are so nice. I don't even want to eat them. Which one should I choose? I love these cupcake sponges. Is your friend getting ready for a party? That's the perfect opportunity to prank her with a weird lipstick. Add food coloring to a few chewy candies. Microwave them for 20 seconds. Thoroughly stir them. Roll a stick when the mass cools slightly. Shape the slanted tip of a lipstick. Place the candy into a clean lipstick tube. Attach a printed logo of a makeup brand to the cap. Can I borrow your makeup bag? And some lipstick and a mirror? Oh, it looks like my friend doesn't know how to use lipstick. She's chewing it. Don't worry, this lipstick is sweet. Did you like our edible makeup ideas? Then let us know in the comments which candy you would turn into a makeup product. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new tasty and awesome ideas on Troom Troom.